Hi, this is my website, Adelgazar Sin Dieta. Si es posible, es in Spanish because this product, DVR, is only sold in Colombia. Here is the history how I lose 28 kilos, right? Here at the end of the page, home, I'm put call now because WhatsApp we have a lot traffic. I have 106 visitors because I share this information in Facebook. This page is benefit for you because I think it's more than well you can earn money, and I put a button with know the business. In this link, I show the people how they can earn money. So connect with the page in the company who produce DV hair, right? Because this is a product, and I have the possibility to use in English, right? Okay. Here are all the information about how you can earn money. Good. The other hand, I have the possibility to show the products with the price, right? This is the top selling product, and there is another component. They are natural food for health, and here are the prices. Because I'm use Wix, I have not my own domain. For that reason, I have not the possibility to have a payment tool. But here in this blog, I put information about how to buy the product in Colombia. Yes, and this information is important because I give the information to the people interesting. Yes, and where are the accounting saving where they can um, make the payments. All right, here are all the information. The other hand, I have a lot of information here with videos about the products, about the how you can earn money, and my experience. I think it's very important in my experience because this product works with my testimony especially, and I have a history how I can eat the product and what's going on after the breakfast, how I feel, how was the process every single day, and how the product works. I think it's a very important history. The other hand, I told you my testimony, right? Because I think it's important. I think to share my personal life and looking pics about my change, I think it's important, and my history, what I'm doing, what I'm working, how my life had changed eating this product, right? Here I have a video with the products. Probably the speed of this record could not be so quickly, but I have a testimony, and I think testimony from the people are very important to sell this product and to gain credibility. And the other hand, I have no chance to work in Google AdWords and Google Analytics. I try to do my best, but I feel so proud with this exercise. Thank you very much.